A very good evening to all of you. Today in this class we will take a new topic, that is direct variation. So our first question: find the cost of 14 books if 8 books cost rupees 540. We will solve this question by unitary method also, but we solve by direct variation. At first we take a column. Here we will write cost, and here we will write number of books. Number of books. We will divide this in two parts. At first, the cost is rupees 540. 540, and the number of books is 14. Means the cost of 14 books is rupees 540. Now we find the cost of find the cost of 14 books. Find the cost of 14 books. It is the price of 8 book. It is the price of 8 book. Means the price of 8 books is rupees 540. Find the cost of 14 books. So second, number of books is 14. Now we will write 540 upon 8 equals. Here the value is not given. So we take a variable like as A, B, C, D. A means 540 upon 8 is equal to A upon 40. Now we solve this and find our answer. So A equals, the number 40 is cross multiplied by 540. 540 into 40 upon the denominator is 8. Now we divide the number at first by 4. 4 2s are 8 and 4 1s are 4. 14, 4 3s are 12, 20, 4 5s are 20, and 2 7s are 40. So 135 into 7. So our answer is 7 5s are 35. 3 carry, 7 3 are 21 and 3 24. 4 2 carry, 7 is 7 and 2 9. Rupees 945. It is our answer. It is the value of 14 books. Rupees 945. Now our second question. Ram earned rupees 1050 for 3 hours of work. How much will he earn for 42 hours of work? Similarly, here we will take a column. Earns rupees 1050 for 3 hours. Here we will write earning in rupee, and here time. The earning is rupees 1050 and he worked for this 3 hours. 3 time in hours. In 3 hours he earned rupees 1050. Now he is earning for 42 hours. The next time is 42, and we will find her his earning. So we take a variable x, y, z, any value. So 1050 upon 3 equals x upon 42, means 1050 upon 3 equal to x upon 42. Now x equal 1050 into 42 upon 3. 1050 into 42 upon 3. 43 is 42. Now we will write 14 0. 14 5 is 70. 0 7 carry. 7 41 is 740. Rupees 14,700. It is our final answer. It is the value of x and it is our final answer. Rupees 14,700. It is her earning in 42 hours. Now our question number 3rd. In this, the value is given in the ratio. A piece of wire is cut into the ratio 2:3. If the length of longer piece is 81 centimeter, find the length of shorter piece. Now here also we will take a column. Here we will take lengths. Shorter upon longer. The value of shorter is 2x and the value of longer we will take 3x. The value of longer piece is 81 centimeter, means its value is equal to 81, and we will find this value. We will find this value. So we will write, or here we will take other variable like as z, any variable like as z. So 2x upon 3x equals z upon 81, means z equals 81 into 2x upon 3. X cancel. 3 7 21, means z equals 14 centimeter. It is the value of shorter. It is the value of shorter. It is the value of z, and the value of z is 2x. We will take this question by another method. We will solve this by ratio method. The value of longer means 3x, and 3x equal to 81 centimeter, means x equals 81 by 3 centimeter, means x equal 27 centimeter. It is the value of x. Now the smallest piece 2, so we will write 2x. So 2 into 27, and 27 is 54 centimeter. It is the value of smallest piece 54 centimeter. Now our next question: if x varies directly as y, when y is 10, x is 3 by 4, find y when x is 12. We will make a column of x and y. will write x and here y. X varies directly as y and y is 10. X is 3 by 4. Find y when x is 12. When x is 12. We will write this like as any value a. So 3 by 4 upon 10 equals 12 upon a. Now we will take here denominator 1. So 3 upon 4 into 10 equals 12 by a. Means a equals 4 into 10. 10 4 is 40. 40 into 12. 40 into 12 by 3. 10 4 is 40. 40 into 12 upon 3. It is the value of a. And 3 4 is 12. So a equals 40 into 4. And it is equal to 160. 44 is 160. It is the value of a. 160. Similarly, our next question and last. It is your homework. If u varies directly as v and u equals 4 when v equals 9, find u when v equals 21. The value of u and v in first case is given. In second case, the value of v is given and you will find the value of u. It is your homework. Solve the question and give your answer in comment box. Thank you.